Hello, Junior 5 students. How are you? This is your time to study science in your science class here. As now, we will study lesson 2 from concept 2, unit 3. This is me, Shaimaa Hamdy, and you are watching the Big Sister channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell button to get all the new notifications. As now we will study activity 5, Earth's fresh water, as we will talk about the fresh water now, okay? We must protect the freshwater environments on Earth, where fresh water is needed for drinking, irrigation, agriculture, industry, and in generating electricity and many other uses. So it's important to protect the freshwater environments. So because the freshwater is very important and we use freshwater in many uses, so we need to protect the freshwater environments, as also 10% of the world animals species live only in freshwater. So if we protect these freshwater environments, we will protect our water and protect the animals that live in these freshwater environments, okay? As we have two main risks, main problems that threaten the world. What the meaning of threaten? In danger. What are these risks? First, the freshwater scarcity. Scarcity means rare, means shortage or lack of water or small amount. So freshwater scarcity is one of the main risks that threaten the world. Also, freshwater quality, as we have good quality or bad quality, high quality or poor quality. Poor quality means we are talking about water. Poor quality water means unclean water, okay? So here we have two main risks. The scarcity of fresh water, yes, the lack of fresh water or the shortage of fresh water, and the second one, the quality of the fresh water. As we have here an important question. Give reasons for poor quality of fresh water has dangerous effects on living organisms. Why poor quality of fresh water has dangerous effect on living organisms? As poor quality of fresh water leads to what? The death of thousands of living organisms every year, as unclean water causes death for thousands of living organisms every year. And the second reason, that extinction of some species live in fresh water, such as some fish and amphibians. As we studied before, that the amphibians need clean water to live, because many amphibians extincted because the pollution of water or the poor quality of water. So here, the poor quality of fresh water has dangerous effects on living organisms, as poor quality of fresh water leads to the death of thousands of living organisms every year and the extinction of some species in fresh water, like some fish and amphibians, okay? Here we finish this activity and we will start activity 6. Fresh water, a precious resource. Precious means valuable, okay? As we know that the fresh water has a vital importance to human. Vital means necessary, okay? And we know that fresh water is limited on Earth. And we discuss this as the freshwater percentage is 3.5% of the total water on Earth, okay? Okay, finding it is one of the major challenges. To find the water is one of the major challenges. Challenges means that not very easy to get it, okay? So, right balance in using water is very important, okay? And this to avoid the water imbalance. Imbalance is the opposite of balance, okay? And the water imbalance causes what? Yes, droughts, which means the rare of water, okay, or there is no water at all, okay. As you see here, this is drought, or the water imbalance causes what? Floods, the opposite of the drought, okay, as you see here. So, humans use strategies to conserve fresh water, okay, for their needs as what this strategy as building dams, okay, as water is important and it needs to be conserved. So humans use some strategies to conserve water, fresh water, for their needs as building dams. But the human activities cause imbalance of water that leads to, as we mentioned, drought, which is shortage of water in some places, and the floods in the other places. So these human activities that causes water imbalance as drought, which means shortage of water in some places and flooding in some places, we will discuss it next lesson, okay? As we will know some of the activities that causes water imbalance. Okay, as you see here, what do you see? Yes, it's an area of land where water from different sources flows in one direction toward a common location, such as ocean or sea or other water body, large water body. This, we call it watershed. So again, watershed, it is an area, as you see, of land where water from different sources, okay, as mountains, okay, or something like that. This water flows in one direction towards a common location, such as an ocean or sea or other large water body. This is watershed, okay? So why we should know this watershed? Because we will see the study of fresh water systems focuses on the balance of water in a watershed, as we will see how if the water balance or imbalance in the watershed looks like and what is the results, okay? So as when there is more rainfall, okay, so the level of water in rivers or streams increases, and this is causing what? Floods, okay? So if there are more rainfall, so the level of water in rivers and streams will increase, and this causing what? Floods, okay? As the water will come out from the river or stream in the places around them, okay? Okay. So what will happen if there is too little rainfall? Yes, the level of water in rivers or streams decreases, causing what? Drought, shortage of water. So if there is too little rainfall, the level of water in river or stream will decrease, causing drought. And this is our examples for water imbalance, okay? And what will happen when there is water balance? Yes, the rivers and streams have constant, okay? That doesn't change, okay? Source of fresh water. When there is water balance, rivers and streams have constant source of fresh water, okay? As there is no droughts or floods, okay? So it's important to conserve the water balance. With this point, we finish our lesson. So thank you for watching. See you next video, inshallah, and goodbye.